What does the name meaning of Sobia? What does the name meaning of Sobia? What does the name meaning of Sobia? The name Sobia means is happy dress lady. The name Sobia means is happy dress lady. The name Sobia means is happy dress lady. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Lucky numbers 1. Lucky numbers 1. Lucky numbers 1. Suitable color is yellow, blue, white. Suitable color is yellow, blue, white. Suitable color is yellow, blue, white. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable days Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Suitable days Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Suitable days Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.